In this video, I will show you how to use split screen on Android. Split screen lets you use two apps at the same time on your phone. To do that, first of all, launch open the first app, let's say Play Store app. Once you have launched this open, you simply want to head back. For that, you can tap on the square button over here. Then you want to open the app switcher or the recent apps button, which is the three lines at the left. Now you want to tap and hold on this app icon. Go ahead and do that. Now you can drag this either at the top or bottom. Now the split screen will appear. From here you can select the second app. So let's say Facebook. Now as you can see, your screen has split. You can drag this divider to resize both applications in this way. If you want to exit the split screen, you can simply drag this divider all the way up or down. This will close one of these apps. With this feature, you can easily multitask on your phone, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.